IoT is automating the way data is collected at the edge of the network, and it's collecting data in places that it's never been collected before. We also leverage that IoT to provide business insights and ensure that businesses are leveraging technology that's on the market today to improve their operational efficiency. Yeah, so excitingly we're working with Yarra Trams to deploy our devices with accessory kit packs to leverage available sensors on the market to solve an issue that Yarra Trams has had for quite a while now, and the ability to do that with new technology is really exciting. Yeah, I would say part of the challenges around installing IoT at scale and successfully is a lot about installation and how much you can leverage the maintenance teams to go to site, install a solution, walk away knowing that it's going to work without consuming a whole bunch of time. Streamlining that process to the best of our ability is what's going to guarantee success of IoT rollouts at scale across multiple industries, not just rail, but in water and mining. Those business cases don't stack up if we can't install these quickly and know that they're going to stay in place recording data as they need to for years on end. So we maintain stringent requirements internally about how we engineer our products and make sure that the data we collect is encrypted. We send that securely over the air. We ensure that our product can operate on private and public clouds, and that's a huge push for our business to ensure that at all levels and all scales of deployment, that data remains secure. Yeah, so Caliper's role in IoT is to disrupt the market. We are all passionate about providing a product and a service to the market that makes lives easier and reduces customer challenges and frustrations. We're passionate about making it easy to deploy one, but easy also to deploy thousands and tens of thousands of devices.